So mzee Jose, at the end of the show tukurekere twarekereria tukona trivia questions, Q&A, Kiuria na Kiuria. Gakoria Kiuria ugacokia. Very funny questions.
Okay.
Hey, are you ready?
Surely.
Get ready. Hi, let's go. Number 1. What accomplishment are you most proud of?
Ukode na ciana ithatu.
Uko na ciana.
I have a wife and I have children.
You have a family.
I have a family.
Wow. I can't expect you. Which of your friends are you proudest of and why? Nyana takuwa request yo. Wamoro God. Thegi nyodo amona kio. Thegi nyodo amwiretu yo, thegi nyodo yo. Na niki?
Man, niko na marafiki kadhaa. Wenye maze support imekuwa very 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 powerful.
Yes.
Tadu motorio no ups and downs naki. Mehadu marema mana koro mari hau nani. Through thick and thin. When I say he's a godfather to my children. Yes. And Louis Shiko, she's vying for MP Gatondo North or Gatondo something. So ka politics kako in your circle, Yeah, Mama Joy, Cairo, Timo. They are those friends who have been there for me. Okay. What's the most beautiful place you've ever been? Nikuku guthaka kana wathire ndukariga no wende gucoka ku urigi. Well, ne dito kudu kuingi. You're a traveled man. No, ndathire Baobab. Your place in Libamba sana. Oh, yeah, Miss Diane, iko wapi? Iko ni Diani. Okay. Very nice, very beautiful. No recommend modo dina family. Very nice. Mpango wake. I had a very good time there. Okay. Atore tone kanida. St. James Cathedral. Oh. Yeah. Within a siana. Daddy day. Oh. Kanida dare siana dare ivetu. Oh, na ruwa kanida kira. Do you feel more of a leader or a follower? I think we have the answer. A leader. You are more of a leader. I'm more of a leader. Yes, you're more of a leader. What's the most courageous thing you've ever done? Nikikidi kia usaba uriweka. Tia udhimada mano na kugawa antam. Edeo da resign wira. Taduna mutumia kwa diu. DNA any other expectation that they did could take care of my family. Yes. But that awesome. Very, very courageous. Awesome. Awesome. When you're having a bad day, what do you do to make yourself feel better? Meditation. Meditation. And listening to good music. Yes. Meditation ni mdemba. Tiyo yake. Tiyo medio. Like just being present, kugere ko clear. Yes. And bekeria maudu my game hakini si yakwa go calm down. Yeah. Which will be harder for you to give up? Coffee? Or Mojuza, wait, glass. Do you drink, by the way? Wine? Wine, I do drink wine. I do take wine once in a while. Eriko, alcoholic, non-alcoholic? Wine is alcoholic. Wine is supposed to be alcoholic. Na hizi non-alcoholic watu wajikuishanga. Si wakunywa tu juice. Hiyo si alcohol. Wakunywa tu juice wine. Wacha kutuchocha. So kwa hiyo wama nini nyuanga wine, maybe a glass or two there. Yes. Yeah. Which one would be hard for you to stop? Hakuna. Kama when was the last time I drank wine? I can't remember. Coffee. I have not had coffee today. So tugeke tea and tea soda. Do you take soda? Tea water. Dake nyuma maitha ine. Haya. How many days do you wear the same pants in a row before it becomes a problem? How many? We get a boxer. I've never repeated. Maybe those days. Easy. Sahi. Bro, kwani igile call time ni akinya wewe we bafu ugeli. Ni sawa. Easy. Boxer hapana. You don't? Hata socks kuna time ilikuwa those days wanugagerere etanugageria ikara easy but I can't.
Haya, if you could ask your pet, ni ulikuwa na pet? Tudugura, dugura.
Dide.
If you could ask your children 3 questions, what would you ask them? Your 3 children 3 questions. What would you ask them? Ate gitukuria ciana ciaku ciuri ithatu niki weke ku ugimoria.
1, I'd ask them, do they know who God is?
Okay.
Because you know the matigikoro ma digikoro dirahujia mai na nyuaga difei musie. So I'd like to ask them that what they want for life, like in life, wanaweza taka nini, like who would they want to become in life as well.
What is the right age to get married? Miaka eriko igana atu unieru no hikanie
an adult.
Adult no mudu when miaka moja to mtu
adult. You can marry from 18 years. I've seen people who have married at early age and they're still in marriage even today. Even at 30. Yeah.
If you're told you have 1 week to live, left to live, what will you do? Atewero ina wiki watije wiki mwe. Ya okay nige wakwera nduri handu sawa. Ngai yakwera watije wiki mwe. Ya gwikara, ya gutura, ni ati ugika.
I think I would spend time with my family. Yeah.
Umere tu marore tu
spend time with my family, quality time with my family. Yeah.
What song do you have to sing along when you're in the bathroom? Then you can tell hiyo ni ngoma fulani, lakini unaona vile unatalala usikiri kama unasikia ka sauti na uko ukarete huo ukimedi wewe ka beat fulani hiyo ni ngoma fulani, and then you start singing along. Uboro ukuru ndogo gekeria kwa Toxic Love.
Interestingly ako kasong kamekuwa kwa akili. There is something about that song. That song is very very powerful. No ni todo de ni nyende tenye boss ya gospel mono. So ndio uko na drain a few gospel song that one. And then what happens? Ni the yaga na mood. Like jana when I was going home, I was listening to Chris Brown. Healing energy on me. Baby now won't you make a wish for me. Na.
Wewe ni musician poa sana.
Yeah.
What would be a perfect Sunday yaku? Perfect Sunday yaku ate wewe ni Sunday jega be like?
I've gone to church with my family.
Yes.
I was leading praise and worship. I felt the presence of the Lord. After church, tumetoka, we've gone out with my family. Tume spend quality time and then we've gone home.
You are a family man.
Yes.
Hey, ndo guy. Haya. What is the first thing you will do when you get home from a trip or from work? Ni kikia bela tu wakinyo umusiye.
Ndo abele dek jikaka. Okay, my kids open the door for me. Hugs and all that. And then they strip me for goodies. And then I go to the kitchen sink to wash my hands.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you take yourself naughty or nice?
Naughty. Maybe nice. Nice, not naughty.
You are not naughty?
Not.
Right, you are utumira wife. Wife, dudes. Wife kamera. Amanga yomodi.
I can be naughty if you talk it like if you talk about it like that.
Omodi. Where?
I can be naughty with my wife. Yeah.
Niki rai waboni. What is your dream job? What is your dream job?
I'm an entrepreneur. Sasa mimi ati job inaandikwa job na mse, but kenye mimi naweza penda is to have my own production house, like a full production house doing big things.
Kitu na ilo almost yana ine.
You do not think vile so click.
Hey man, me tuko na same interest. Hey Jesus. Haya, hiyo si mwisho. What is your absolute worst bathroom experience?
Buda niliangua kwa bafu siku nyingine hapo. Ni very risky. It was bad. So what happens, our bathroom, they toraga mai completely. So you have to, so ni hodagera slippers ko move mai ogu.
Hodagera bagoro.
You lose balance. Niliduna bafu.
Batukumia sana?
Taskumia.
Niki?
Kwani kuna mtu alianguka bafu akaumia? Si hapa.
Akumia ipas.
What?
Hizo impact I think niko si very
I think or something.
And you know it's a very squeezed room.
Yeah.
So hakuna room ya toilet iko hapo. And then I was thinking about this in the morning. And I could go for leadership. I think they should be controlled or control a control plan. I think the bathroom and the toilet should be separate.
Agreed.
I think they should be separate. I was thinking about that today when I was taking a bath.
Wali kana uragwire.
Ogothe kikikio how.
But you know adugi makuwa either okay very few cases jigo adu makuete how. Wengi wao unasikia ngome dead after 2 ama sometimes sijui nini na kuanga me happen. Sijui ni clot.
Internal bleeding.
Aya, what does it husband kana wife material? What does that term mean to you? Yatroga usuti husband material, usuti wife material. Where? What does that term mean to you?
Wife material. Unajua kila mtu anakuwa na preference yake, but kuna demo tu unaanga tu nasema huyu ni wife material. One, representation. The way they relate with people, the way they relate with children, the way they do their things around
the way they reason.
Yeah.
Awesome. What's the funniest thing you've done to get to your crush? Tabu to get. Niko una crush. When you're there is your crush. Una enjoy na mtumia. Your crush.
Boy la kwezi kosa una.
Yes, celebrity crush wako no.
Celebrity crush. Inakuwa nimecrushia Sabina Shege. Wewe
ni mtu wa mama huyu.
No. Why? Because from Kitambo when she was on
Kameme Inoro. I mean Shoro.
No.
Media.
Hederia ari TV ni.
Sabina ari TV ni ndio ready
ilikuwa inaitwa aje? Ni ya Kitambo sana.
Unajua presenter kwa radio.
Yana
ni ndio iko. Sabina Chege. Ni crush celebrity crush wako ni.
Kia mzee eta kwa mzee asiri kana.
Nimekumbuka hiyo kipindi nimesikia.
Tausi, yes, she was a daughter of mzee that Muzai. Yes.
Okay, wadau. Ni wako dale act. Aliyokuwa no haro mahura na kole online. Celebrity wako alimutumia wene wa mboi waka gym. Celebrity crush. Okay. So hao ni wale watu siwezi taka kumeet. I don't want to meet you. I just let tu nikuone uko online. Dia dah dikeda. Waboi kajim sina ubaya. Sawa. Nena si ndio damuka. Ndio kama wana boko yoro. How many people have you kissed in your entire life? Kinyaori. Tika mukami na mudumia wako.
Mukami lazima ngingia hapo.
Mukami.
There was a time I was a bad boy. I was a bad boy.
We church bado?
Before church. So I can't count.
You guy. I don't know body. Like you never got that doria. In the time na preach. No, as we no humans. Ile time na preach we hari uguo hindi orarikiria kiugo uria Daudi aitiririo maguta weru-ini ri nyuwe karawo kamundu kana congregant kanitha-ini ya wika yex ko seduce
sijayo it's kama hiyo I've never experienced no
kado rola
I don't think it shall happen
linama makona TV ni masoko mkona ukimahujia mawe
so sasa labda hapo ni well DOA it's just experience
have you ever received a nude selfie and if so who watu mimi nude huo on Facebook why gura ke message wako na kidonyo kihurite hapo
not that I know
wewe mati to mayora
agane maji tiga ni
if you could change anything about your life daily life kigoko aliki niki ugenda gwana usaidia muturina waku ri nini unaweza change
I think I would bring my mom back. Yeah, her absence has been imekuwa na impact kubwa sana kwangu.
Yes,
negatively but also pia positively. Her absence in many shape in many molds.
So you grew up
I would love to bring her back in the picture.
So wewe wakorire na fafa wanyu motherly love fafa wanyu ni amohea that motherly love.
Sasa wazai wa hiyo madays wanapenda aje. So I think now even fatherly love. So now that is what actually I would bring back, that motherly love, because it is very very important in a man's life or any other child's life.
Yes, yeah. Even fatherly love is very important. Ngirona huko kwena boy child kana sina ige tuseme boy child wana behave vile hawajai kuwa na baba kwa maisha yao. Same na women wakora either ni agire father figure kana that mother figure uriara kwa kana uriara ndo kana familia yake ni different.
For a father, a father is supposed to be a disciplinarian and a guidance. And bamutumia is supposed to love and affirm and care. So hiyo mwanaume hafai kukupatia affirmations na nini. Mama yako ndio anafaa kukupatia hizo. Baba yako ni wa kukuharden ukue mwanaume. Yeah.
Parents kwa saizi wamechange millennials.
Ni kwa sababu
wamelegeza ni times
zimechange.
Kenya hawakupata. Unaona hiyo tough love. Wanasema mimi sasa
Chizi
my baby closer.
But now una bring up a weak child because you're strong the way that you are strong because of the way you are hardened.
Yeah. Hiyo kitambo sirini marekaga you deal with issues.
Yeah.
Kivyako. Kitambo ndio na sasa kuna wazee domestic na ile domestic na ile nini ya ukipigwa mtoto wangu umepigwa jiwe already. Because hii dunia tuko today's world is very tough. No one need that skin, that thick skin yale ya kuendio maudu mathi na mbere. Unaona? Haya. The biggest secret you've ever kept from your people.
Which people?
People around you, your wife, your mother.
Sasa itakuwaje secret nikisema?
Si ndio sasa unaisema hakuna itatoka hapa. Hawatajua.
Series ya watu wawili.
Ngoshio tukienda huko nje tutapata baba.
There is a high possibility I have a daughter. And my wife knows that. So it's not a secret.
Oh.
Yeah.
High possibility keko.
Nax, something like that. So tunasemanga we're going to do a DNA so we can like really verify if the daughter is mine and so that.
Haya, Kiabuso. What is that one thing you wish you could unsee? Nikiki wonire maishini maku thaisi wa guy kafaitagio nilio uguo.
Kuna kitu ilinichafuanga roho vibaya sana. Niliona msia akichinjwa.
Muda kidijoko.
Akichinjwa.
Osi.
No. Kwa huko kwa kichaka.
Kwa maandamano.
Kwa kichaka huko wanamtoa kama unaona bulile deja huko like that.
Walikuwa na mtoto.
Ilikuwa kwa video.
Not Kenya.
Kenya.
What?
Kitu ilinichafua. Yeah. Na modoro ranyo niye comfortable. Nili watch tu hivi.
Vitu kama hizo video hizo unaosionire na hawa terrorist Al-Qaeda waki pass message to the Americans ama to the countries zenye wana nini. Dege mwana mwero wa KARE-KII, keep it here, keep it locked, keep it KARE-KII. What do you have to tell our fans ama your fans tukirikiria?
Ni dege nyodo wa gukoro kirumirira show eno ya KARE-KII. Like to kugaga omotorire ni connections. Na do build connections otare na good rapport with people. Adonio ido. So keep a good rapport with people, build a network, be disciplined, and again kwina kamugabo kau karagiria mundu na gatongoragia mundu. Gathikiririe. Mugikwa igire mugabo wa mbere niguo wake. Ti wa murimi. Okay. Mugabo wa mbere niguo koroko wi wa Ngai. Yes. That first voice that you hear is the voice of God. So listen to it. Motorereni waku and you're going to succeed in everything that you do. Aya, Kiuria actoria ora ukurora bakauga ninyo no nyende gutukata Jose. No nyende ni niga koro hari orire na mukami. Kiuria actors yumuere kaundu. Kidu kiriote kiambagia iguru ni kaburi. So you cannot start from the top. No maka wa bia hari athi na no maka witikire kwa bia hau niguo uke wabatite. Koguo itikira kwa bia hari athi okoni set books start there. Most of us 99% of the actors you see there mabiririe ko and you grow and you coming up. Don't expect to make millions. Corona kaudu kagiureka. And that way maudu maria mari ukanyuri mahota kumahandle. Don't give up on your dream. You have a passion and a dream of acting. Keep on pursuing it and eventually kama vile tulisema hora mutumio uria kana gutidogetia imagine itajipa. Awesome KARE-KII.